Hello traders, it's Tomek here and welcome in my weekly indices forecast. So let's start with DAX. Let's see what we have here. On the weekly chart, if we pay attention, price reached again very strong level of the support. Right now it's reacting, so the question is, or we see bigger reaction where? Back to the trend line together with the 36 EMA, and then from this level we can expect another bounce and another retest of this or continuation of this down move, or we'll have small retracement like here right now to the 12 EMA and we'll get another down move. Yeah, so this is what might happen. Of course, if price reach this level, then we can expect again or a reaction or breakout and continuation to the next zone, which we have here on this chart. So let's go to the daily time frame. Of course, this is our daily trend, weekly trend line. If you pay attention for daily line, the only line which we have is here. So it's not so perfect line for us because it's only 2 touches. But we here have 36 EMA plus resistance area. And right now price, it seems that is reacting on this resistance because we see that it didn't break, but it's fighting, it's struggling right now. So what we can have, if we draw here trend line, we can expect after breakout of this level that price will continue to go up to this level from the weekly chart, and then of course to the next area which is up here, or after breakout of this line will have continuation of this down move, maybe even to those previous bottoms. In between we have daily support zone also here. So if we go to 4-hour chart, right now it's clear and visible that we are in the range. So what we can do is to just mark this, okay, and we can look for long scenarios after breakout of this, and short scenarios after breakout of this. Keep in mind about this support, okay? But this support might be broken easily, but still there is, and it's visible. So we need to pay attention for this if you decide to take short scenarios. It might be broken easily because sells are still with the main direction, okay? So price might go and try to retest in the previous bottoms. So this is like a little bit midterm perspective. As you see here, we have range. So if you are a day trader, scalper, what you can do, you can just simply need to see that price is reaching this level and you can still try to buy this. Of course, ideally we want to target this, but we see that more spikes we have around this level. So this level should be our target if we decide to take long scenarios. Of course, if price spiked, it's perfect. If not, and you see that price is reaching this zone, yes, if you see that price, if you take long scenarios here, price continue to go up and reach this, you can look for short scenarios, short bounce entries, and target this support again. Okay, so you can trade here in the range. The safest way is to simply wait for breakout of this line, and after breakout of this line, you go to lower time frames and you try to buy. Okay, so this is what we have here on DAX and NASDAQ. Weekly chart, price hit this support zone, now is retracing. This retracing seems to be that we will get this retracement back to the 36, back to this weekly trend line, simply because it still might be spike, but for now it seems that it's trying to break, and maybe we'll get this bigger move back to this area. Okay, so and then, of course, again, if we have retracement to this zone, we can expect bounce continuation, another move to the previous bottoms or lower. After breakout of this, we can expect that price might to go up. This is the next area of the resistance where we might to see some reactions. If price breaks this area, we can look for potential area of the weekly chart somewhere around this zone. Okay, so we go to daily, and what we have on the daily, this is our weekly trend line. Yeah, so this is powerful line, so it will be interesting what we'll see. Right now price is breaking the previous tops on the daily chart, is making higher lows, as you can see. Okay, so there is a really chance that maybe we'll get this retracement. There was also trend line breakout on the daily chart here or here. Okay, Here we have breakout, but there was no higher high, so we can just say, okay, we can change angle of the trend line. We can draw it like this, and now we have breakout and we have higher highs, okay? But we have resistance area also close to this zone, somewhere around, you see, this is area of the resistance. So what we can do right now, we can try to buy this after retracements, okay? So this is our daily trend line. So we go to 4-hour chart, and now 4-hour chart retracement to this level, and we try to buy, okay? This is our 4-hour chart trend. Of course, I say about intraday trading combination. Yeah? So you wait for the 4-hour chart retracement, you go to lower time frames, you try to buy. 1-hour chart also the same, okay? Because no, we cannot sell this right now, because we know that if we start to sell, this is against this 4-hour chart time frame. There is also support on the 4-hour chart, so price might to spike a little bit. So ideally, right now every single retracement is option to go and buy this, okay? So just mark this line. Whenever price breaks this line, you try to sell. And this is how I see this. I wouldn't go to sell here. We don't have much room. Price like to sometimes make spikes here and then continue, so it's better to wait patiently. Sometimes it's okay to sell here, but not in this case. Right now it's better to just wait and buy this. US 30, if we look for weekly, it's also this price also reacted on the support. Let me delete this, and now is retracing, sitting close to the 12 EMA. This is next area where we might expect bounce and continuation. In case of the breakout, price might to continue to go up, maybe even to those previous tops, okay? But right now, price is in the retracement. We also have situation here that price broke the daily trend line. It's making new higher highs. So similar situation to NASDAQ. We have this trend line is not so perfect like on NASDAQ. NASDAQ has definitely better line. So I wouldn't draw anything, because you can draw it like this, you can draw it like this. So it's not good for me. If we look for areas of the resistance of the Dow Jones, we will see, let me unzoom a little bit. Definitely, we have those previous spikes here, so price is close, and the next strong area of the resistance is up here. So this will be good level and decision level. If price, continue to go up, yes, this will be interesting to see another bounce and continuation. Right now, we because price broke the 36 EMA, we can pay attention to some buys. It's not so perfect like NASDAQ, because we have less. NASDAQ clearly broke it. If we look for the 4-hour chart, you see move, yes, you see momentum. US 30, it's, we have breakouts, some hesitation, breakout, so not so perfect, but same story, yes. Right now, only all retracements after breakout we want to buy. If we of course have breakout and price will drop, now it's difficult to say, okay? So I don't have right now in mind how we can sell this. Right now everything is pointing to go long, so I'm more interested to buy. So that's why I'm not telling you what to do in case if price breaks this, because it's difficult to say right now, okay? So we go to 1-hour chart. You can also draw this line, and whenever price breaks this, even if price goes a little bit lower, also after breakout, you try to buy this, okay? So this is what we have here. A US 500, of course, will be similar. Yes, you see also here price reach support, retracement where to our profit zone 36 trend line. This is decision level where or we continue or we break and will go higher. So we go to daily chart. Daily time frame is looking like this. Trend line was broken, new higher highs. Perfect. Yes, we have this trend line. It's a little bit better than on Dow Jones. So we have this. Right now, price is pushing up. So for our chart, also here, we wait for the retracement. We try to buy. So I think NASDAQ looks the best if you pay attention for all this move. If we go again to NASDAQ, we will see that it's a little bit cleaner than others. Yes, but this is what we can do. Yeah, so you wait for this, and whenever price breaks this, you try to buy this. Nikkei, interesting situation because we are on the trend line. Definitely, we don't have clean direction right now anymore on the weekly chart, as you can see. So it's in the range, more or less. Right now, momentum is pointing up. Okay, so this might be situation that really we will go up again after retesting of this whole area. Yes, if we go up, yes, this is our next goal. Yes, if we look quickly to the monthly chart, let me just delete this monthly chart. We will see that monthly is making long 1 to 3. Okay, so there is really option that price might continue to go up, especially that we also retested the strong support. Okay, so we will see. Now, definitely weekly, yeah, it's not so clean, not so perfect, but like you said, we had retested this nice level. It's pushing up. Okay, so let's go to daily chart. Let's see what we have there. Okay, so if we look for daily perspective, first line was like broken. Okay, but we can try to draw different trend line with different spikes and different angles. Okay, so we have this, and also if we connect, we have this. So this is also very strong trend line for us, even if I, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, so price right now is sitting on this trend line. If we pay attention, we also have resistance area up here. So this is after breakout. We need to see how price will behave around this zone. If we have breakout of this area, next area of the resistance is up here, and next one is a little bit higher up here. Those are the daily levels. Yeah. If price decide to retrace, of course, our retracement might be where to the 36 EMA. Okay, so this is our next area. Trend line we also have here. So we see that right now, this also might be situation that price will stay for some time in this area. Okay, and then of course breakouts here on breakouts here. We will see. Definitely because we have strong trend lines, so you can look for short entries. Yes, short entries. Your target is this area of support together with the 36 EMA. And of course, if price make this retracement, reach this level, you are okay to look for buy scenarios again, and then you try to target this trend line. And then if price breaks this trend line, you have next level where price might to go. If we have like move retracement bounce, you can also, and price stops here, won't break this, you can also try to sell this. And your goal again is this support level with the 36 EMA and then this level. Okay, and this might be also situation that price after reacting here will just simply drop and will go down to this level like we had here. Yes, so this is also possibility, of course, because we don't know. We need to build some scenarios and understand where we want to see that price is reacting. Right now we have this trend line here, so this will be interesting because we can still buy this. Yes, we can still buy this on the lower time frames. You can still buy this on the lower time frames. So whenever price, this is your 4-hour chart. Yes, 4-hour chart 1 to 3. Right now we don't have clean situation, but if you get breakout, you can still buy, and your goal is of course the previous top together with this trend line. So you can still buy, but because no, from this is a little bit issue, yes, with the MT4, because on the daily chart we see that price is touching, but if you go to 4-hour chart, we can still see that there is room. So of course, price or will make this and this, yes, or we'll get this and we can treat this as a touch. Yes, so that's how we can buy and sell. Because if we buy, we know where is our target, because price might sometimes on the strong levels we have like double tops, false breakouts. Yeah, so that's why we can still buy this. But of course, after retracement, if you see that price is not breaking 36 EMA, but is making short 1 to 3, you can sell this on the lower time frames. Ideally, if you decide to sell this on the 1-hour chart, watch this price action around this trend line. Okay, because if you decide to sell here, price will go. you will have this 4-hour chart trend line, so price still might react, and like I said, might go up. So you want to close your sell scenarios, you focus on the longs again, okay? So this is a little bit tricky, but this is how you can treat this. Yes, if you want to be more conservative, you can just simply wait for 4-hour chart trend line breakout and then try to sell this. Yeah, so not now, but wait for price to to going out from this area and then try to sell this. And the last one is Aussie index. Weekly chart reach support. Now again, reaction. So we have this retracement. Of course, our area where price might react is the 36 EMA of the weekly chart. So what is our expectation? That price might retrace, bounce, and make continuation. Target this support zone. Okay, so this is what we might to see. If we go to daily chart, this is our daily trend line. We also have trend line here. Okay, so right now we are a little bit squeezed here. There is also resistance area. Okay, so we see that price must breaks this to go up, and of course, ideally breaks this to go short again. Okay, so if we look for the next area of the resistance, let me zoom out. This is a little bit not easy chart to draw the levels, but at least we have something here. We have also next level around this level here. Yeah, so we have this. So we go to lower time frames. So what we can expect right now, of course, whenever price breaks this, you look for buy. Here you look for sell. This is definitely, but we can also try to trade in this area if you like. Right now, price is reaching this support, so we go to lower time frames, and whenever price breaks this trend line, you can try to sell this. Okay, so ideally it will be nice to get another retest and then try to sell. And your goal, maybe not goal is here. Yes, so whenever you look, because it's we saying about the bounce, so if you sell this and price will continue to go down, this is your goal, this trend line, and then of course after breakout you can expect to see the price maybe here. But if you sell this, pay attention to the 36 EMA, okay? Because we can still have another reaction. Maybe even now, yes, after breakout, price might react and make this, okay? Another retest of this, maybe spike, maybe false breakout, and that. But it's okay to sell after this trend line breakout. But you need to just pay attention, maybe manage this a little bit more aggressive. If you see that price is not going immediately here, but it's struggling with the 36 EMA, etc. Okay, so this is what you have to do, but you can try to trade also here. And then if price reach this level and you will see it's not breaking, you can look for buy scenarios. And where is your goal? This trend line with this resistance. After breakout, you have next levels. Okay, so this is what we have. Keep in mind that we have summer period, so we might to see less volatility, but still we have some nice chances to trade. So guys, thanks a lot. Wish you all a great trading week, and hear you soon. Bye.